I think sometimes we think that meal prep or meal planning has to be this super intense process and have to have hours in order to meal prep. But keep in mind that you can meal prep anytime you just have a little time. So let me show you the few things that I prepped just while my toddler was eating breakfast. I started by pressing some tofu that I'll use a little bit later today. I made a quick batch of vegan parm, which is only a few ingredients and literally takes 2 minutes. I chopped some carrots, seasoned them, and got them ready to roast a little bit later. Same with the cauliflower. I got them all cut up and rinsed so that I could use it later. And I popped 2 baked potatoes in the oven that are all set for a recipe later today. Consider a couple of the things that you might be able to do at times like this that can help you prep for meals either later in the day or the next couple of days. I knew that since I had my 4th chemotherapy yesterday, that my energy and my willingness to cook is going to tank throughout the rest of the day. So I did these few things to make the rest of the meals a lot easier. And that's not only beneficial for my physical health, but also my mental health. And I think you'll find the same. What are you gonna prep next?